there's a little bit of a trick to you're recording too. All right.
Yep. What is it?
So when you're going straight through the center of a tree, you can't just go in straight with the tip.
Yeah?
You're gonna get a bad kickback.
Yeah.
You want to start at a downward angle with it.
Okay.
Get a groove in, and then you can go straight in.
Yeah.
That'll make sense after I do that.
All right.
On like a normal cut where you're coming in from the back,
Yeah.
you're basically just waiting for the tree to start tipping on you.
Yeah.
Whereas this right now, I'm controlling this last piece of holding wood.
I was gonna say, what's holding it up right now?
This last edge back here. So that way I can set up the whole face cut and the back cut exactly where I want it.
Yeah.
Set it up completely however I want it. Now I can do whatever I want from here. Stare up at it, make sure everything's set up where I want it to go.
Your saw's not being pinched right now?
Nope. Yeah, holding wood in front of it and behind it.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Like 1.5 inches, 2 inches right behind the face cut.
All right.
Like you typically would with holding wood.
Yeah.
But now I also have this back here to hold it up.
All right. How do you finish this job then?
Go right on through.
Get out.
Unless, of course, it's straight up and down. Oh, just a little more then. So if it had just a little more lean on it.
Oh, very nice. Very
I
nice.
had to wedge and touch it up just a little bit.
Okay.
That gave Mommy a bit of a cardiac arrest.
Thank you. That was wonderful.
When it's standing there and you're walking around it.
I've done much worse.
when you cut through it already.
Yeah. I'll see if I can low stump this for you with my little 18-inch bar. And this flash again.
Or just make a little chair for us to sit on. It doesn't have to be too low.
You want a chair?
Just something that I can rest my hinder on if I want to just stare, you know? Chair height. Thanks. The older you get, the more you think about a good place to sit.
Got a little backrest on it.
Oh, yeah.
Not gonna do ya?
Yeah, thank you. Perfect. Yeah, I can watch the squirrels from there.
There you go.
Thanks.